How to convert Lazada coins into cash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert Lazada coins into cash. First, open the Lazada application on your mobile device. Then tap on Account at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on MYR to access your wallet options. From here, you can convert your Lazada coins to gcash. Tap on the option to proceed. Then, enter your mobile number where you want the cash to be sent. After that, you will receive a code on your mobile number. Enter this code to confirm the conversion. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.